Hey YouTubers, this is going to be a video of my shop, and this craftsman chest right here has 12 drawers. Drawers are a little stiff when I got them, but I greased them, and I got it for 35 bucks. I think it was a deal in the steel. And this top chest over here, 3 drawers with the snap-on, has the lid. Then these 2 chests over here are just cheapos, 50 bucks for like both of them. So I'll take you. Oh, and then I got my parts organizer, my drills, batteries and stuff. I got a skill 12 volt, Ryobi 18 volt. Then I got my light, my boombox, jack, air compressor. There's my case to my Ryobi stuff. Okay, I'll walk you through some of the drawers. This drawer, well, I got extensions, air ratchet, like conversions to 1/2 inch to 3/8, craftsman right there. Then I got my metric wrenches. These are just cheaper ones from Menards, and then they're a gear wrench. They ratchet. These are really nice, in case you're wondering. Very, very nice. Then I got my standard. I got a Stanley set over here. 1/2 inch is missing, but everything else is there. And then got a full set over here, and then my gear wrench set, standard. And in this drawer, I got all my flat screwdrivers. Most of them are craftsman. This drawer is empty. This is a Phillips drawer. Torque. I don't have very many torque. This is bits, Allen wrenches, torch tip cleaner. It's a blue thing right there. Pliers, crescent wrenches. Clamps, Irwin clamps, those are really nice. Saws, sandpaper, extra blades for taking out, and there's turkey graver for taking out gas. This drawer is empty. I got my socket sets. This one right here is a Stanley 85 piece. Then I got a Stanley 20 piece, and Craftsman 10 piece 3" strap. That one's empty. Then I got my electrical drawer. I got ATV, just extra filters and stuff, battery, cheap drill, light for a skill drill, sander, drill, jigsaw, another drill, and I'll go on to my other chest. Now I just got my WD-40 carb cleaner, oil, fast orange up there. Then I got all these just cheapo sockets, spark plug sockets. Here I got my keys, knife, gloves, flashlight. Nothing. And I also got the Stanley professional grade metric set up there. And I got nothing in these but manuals. Thanks for watching. Please enjoy. Please subscribe. Thanks.